Entrepreneurs, your vision fuels your endeavors, your dedication propels your success, but have you considered what safeguards your dreams? Health insurance isn't just a safety net, it's a shield for your aspirations. Imagine the countless hours you invest, the sleepless nights you endure, and the risks you embrace to build your empire. Now envision those efforts endangered by an unexpected health crisis. Without proper health coverage, medical expenses can cripple not only your physical well-being, but also your business trajectory. Start your health journey today.